A balanced garden grows stronger when we use simple materials wisely and work with natural processes instead of forcing results. In this script, we will use recycled minerals to gently support soil health and then grow eggplants successfully, even in very small spaces. Both methods rely on low-cost, accessible ingredients and careful preparation rather than chemical inputs. The goal is steady growth, healthy roots, and productive plants through practical, controlled steps. Method number 1, wood ash mineral solution with turmeric support. This method returns valuable minerals back to the soil in a gentle, plant-available form. It improves mineral balance, supports root strength, and enhances the soil environment without overwhelming it. We start by burning clean, untreated wood to collect mineral-rich ash. About 300 grams of this ash is added to a large container. Slowly pour 1 liter of white vinegar into the ash. Bubbling shows a neutralization reaction, converting minerals into plant-available forms. The reaction partially neutralizes the ash's alkalinity. After 10 minutes, add 5 liters of water and loosely cover the container. Letting it rest for a full day. During this time, heavy particles settle, the solution stabilizes, and minerals dissolve safely in water. Next, dilute the liquid 50-50 with clean water for gentle soil application. add a few tablespoons of turmeric powder and mix thoroughly. Turmeric acts as a mild antimicrobial and feeds beneficial microbes near the root zone. It also helps deter minor soil pests and supports overall microbial balance. When applied, the potassium and calcium strengthen flowering, fruiting, and cell structure, while turmeric improves microbial activity and root health. The liquid seeps slowly into the soil, increasing nutrient availability and enhancing soil structure over time. This mixture works gently, improving fertility without shocking plants. Apply near roots only, sparingly, and avoid acid-loving plants unless further diluted. It is not a replacement for compost or proper watering, but a supplemental treatment. Used occasionally, it strengthens plants, activates microbes, and gradually improves soil, creating a balanced environment for healthy growth. Method number 2, growing eggplants in polybags for small spaces. This method allows us to grow productive eggplants even in limited garden space. First, we will prepare a balanced growing mix using 50% garden soil and 50% compost, blending it thoroughly for even nutrition and drainage. Then we will fill multiple polybags, one by one, with this mixture and arrange them in sequence in a sunny location where they receive consistent direct light. Next, we will transplant healthy eggplant seedlings carefully into each bag. And water them deeply to help roots settle. We will keep the polybags in full sun and monitor moisture regularly. After about 39 days, we will observe well-defined vegetative growth and bluish flowers forming. At this stage, we will remove yellowing leaves and clear debris around the base to improve airflow and reduce disease risk. Then we will add the secret ingredient at the base as a nutrient booster and continue regular watering and care. By around 61 days, the plants will reward us with a large, healthy eggplant harvest, despite the limited growing space.